A Manitoba judge has decided that Springs Church will not be able to continue to hold services to congregants who attend a form of drive-in church in their vehicles. Springs Church has been holding weekend church services with the use of a large screen and shortwave radio to perform sermons through what they're calling Church in Our Cars. They've been handed multiple fines totaling over $32,000. Lawyers representing the church said in court they believe in COVID-19, believe in the use of masks, and also believe that holding church with members in vehicles does not satisfy transmission of the virus, referencing an Alberta doctor's affidavit that says the same. The church said that queuing for a coffee in a lineup of cars or queuing while stopped at a red light could be considered gathering as well and could also be subject to fines. The Crown stated that the church gatherings, albeit in cars, are gatherings of over 5 people and break public health orders. Chief Justice Glenn Joyelle rejected the church's application, stating the church's counsel did not prove that there is irreparable harm congregants would receive if services were held with remote technology over members gathering with their vehicles. Under the current public health orders, places of worship must be closed to the public as Manitoba remains in Code Red, but can hold services to the public through internet or other remote means. The church also brought forth concerns that the rights to freedom of religion were being infringed upon under the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. A decision on that, according to Joyelle, could be made at a later date. We reached out to Springs Church for a comment on the ruling. We did not hear back by broadcast deadline. In Winnipeg, Mike Albanese, City News.